Homestead traffic, Cirrus 811, Echo X-ray turning final 10, Homestead.
$500.
Okay, reduce your power a little bit.
Cirrus 8 Alpha Romeo, turning
Reduce
left
your power a
base.
little bit more. So we're going to use the PAPIs on the left-hand side. That's going to tell us how high above the ground we are, the lights on the left-hand side. So we have 2 whites, so that means we're a little bit high. We want to see 1 red and 1 white. What you don't want to do at night is you don't want to dive at the runway. It's really hard to tell depth. We're going to add just a little bit of power. There you go. Slowly reduce your throttle, reduce your power.